Most of the Hindu law is based on customs and practices followed by the people across the country. Custom was considered as a supreme law, and in ancient times the king used to give decision based on customs after due religious consideration. Hello everyone, I am Dr.Priya Sepaha, and in this video we are going to discuss what is custom as per Hindu law. Technically, customs are of four types. The first one is local, second family, third caste and community, and fourth is guild. Local custom means it is followed in a geographical areas. That means within that particular area, a particular custom has been followed since ages. The next is family custom, which is followed by the family from a long time, and it is applicable to families wherever they are living, no matter that they are residing at the one place or any other place, but the similar custom is followed by each and every member of the family. Customs related to caste and community. These are a particular type of a custom which is related to a particular caste or community, which is binding on the members of that community or caste. And till now, this is one of the most important source of Hindu law. Guild customs is related to traders. That means the custom followed for the application of the trade is a form of this type of custom. There are certain essential conditions of valid customs. They are ancient, continuous, reasonable, certain, not against morality, not against public policy, and finally not against law. First one is ancient. The validity of custom is usually depends on the number of years it is followed. However, there is no definition of ancientness because it is really difficult to understand how ancient it is. That's why 40 years has been determined to be ancient enough. So a new custom cannot be recognized in a form of an agreement for a specific or short time period. The next one is continuous. This is very important and which is to be followed continuously and has not been abandoned. That means suppose a custom is followed in your family since ages and your great grandfather abandoned that particular custom and your father wants to start that custom again. It will not considered as a custom of your family because it has been abandoned in between. That is why a continuous is a very important factor to be considered as a custom. Once it is abandoned, it is not a custom. The next is certain. It is very important that the custom must be having a clarity as far as its usage, involvement, entailment of custom, just to avoid any sort of ambiguity related to its origin, its application and consequences. Because if any sort of vagueness or ambiguity is there, that may arise a confusion and it may also be a question of validation. Fourth is reasonable. There must be some reasonableness and fairness in the custom. Although what is reasonable, that always depends on a specific era and a social value. But whatever thing is considered as a reasonable custom, that must be sounds and the consequence must be actually reasonable. Fifth is it should not be against morality. Sixth is it should not be against any public policy, which is a norms of a society. And lastly, it should not against the law. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video, and if you like it, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.